Kani kadeka Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kani kadeka kanhon jangka Apollo Hospital, ki balawan nakaleng ke jela jangka ri India. Syakani kanong ba Shillong, ban persngau syaki pajba halor ke jingpang baper-baper. Kumno banyada nakita ke jingpang, namar ke jingeda, ya ke jingpang, ke khambha ban ya ke jing sumar, hadin beklayo ya ke jingpang. Hapo ka jinglam khamat jungki laingon kinong ilam jungkani hospital bakan top yo vice president ke marketing Apollo Hospital Chennai UR Sudhar San nangta chief executive officer ke Apollo Hospital Kolkata Urana Das Gupta bat chief executive officer jangka Apollo Hospital Guwahati Dr Ashish Malakar habai karen bakinong pathai khobor ni kasngi Hashulong Press Club kini kilaingot kinong ikmat ke Apollo Hospitals kilayetu banadu ka arpnyau hadu ka arpndai trek mentau banajeliu ka Apollo Hospital kan sarakhe ya kata kasngi kabal tep kum ka Apollo Day hakani kanong ba Shillong banyalap ikipai ba halor kumno ban kantiu ka kot kakhia bat kila jeda na kijing pang paper hagini kila sngi ha civil hospital Shillong ka kanhon jang ka Apollo Hospital kan sapalong ro ya kijing examine ikipai ba banalor kane kan sa aga jing petbet kerpang ro ya ki doktor jong kani ka jela kan thop nadu ki doktor ki batrai haki hospital sarkar bat kumjo haki hospital jong ki rishment ban penyare ke jing sakri jang ka Apollo Hospital ka bamenta kasnat ka bajan jong kani ka hospital bat kani ka jela Meghalaya kadai ka badan hapo Guwahati Assam shen hakani gonong ba Shillong ru on supply ya ka information center hakaba on penerkam ru ya ka telemedicine hakaba kinong pang tangleng ba ka baikren ta ka phone kinyo ya ki jing ajing mon bat ki dawai bandi na ki doktor ki banabar bat kumjoro ka jingbu ya ka intensive care unit na ajing sumari kinong pang ki badan hapdang ka jing shitam ka bajor hakaba ki doktor na kiwepat ki jilla lengba ka internet kin ajing sumari kita kinong pang lengba ki brio badan hakita ki EICU ki balayo ajing petbet kerpang na ka Apollo Hospital kini ki he ka Apollo Hospital hakani kasngi kilakran kerpang ro halor ki jinglot jingsap ya kinong pang ki belet sya sumar hakani ka hospital naga bapersyai ro halor ka jingstan ka rukom sumar hakani ka hospital habai nu jor bat ki wepat ki hospital hakaleng kari India.
We are here today to ensure a greater awareness is given to the population. And to this effect, we have run an Apollo Day activity plan for the benefit of Meghalaya and more particularly Shillong. This activity plan entails us from 27th to 29th, primarily starting with a screening on NCD at our civil hospital. Basically, when we say screening, it's a complementary screening activity at the civil hospital in Shillong. You don't need to come every time to Chennai. So what are the next steps? One you said about telemedicine. The second step is, can your own doctors, can your own people be better equipped, better trained so that they start treating or identifying the disease pattern early so that the tertiary quaternary care is referred. To that effect, we are doing a CME program for the doctors of Meghalaya that includes the government and private medical practitioners on the so-called subject of NCDs. When we say NCDs, certainly we try to look at the three major disease patterns of heart, probably cancer and diabetes. But in this screening, in this CME program, we also cover gastro. Why gastro? It's an absolutely controllable factor from us. If we have a better control of lifestyle, better food, eating habits, probably we don't have a gastro problem. But otherwise, gastro is one of the leading diseases that are coming up in terms of most of the hospitals where they treat. We also have, as I said, the respiratory and other CME program, but primarily focusing on all the doctors to get an awareness or an update of knowledge from whatever we try to do in the Apollo Hospitals group. To that extent, well-known consultants from all the leading major hospitals where we are present today are coming and addressing your local doctors on the CME program. Then we have a road safety week. Again, it's basically called the basic life support. Again, it's important not from the viewpoint of an NCD, but from the viewpoint of trying to know saving a life. Nothing gives you more joy and pleasure than saving one life in your whole lifetime. To do that, if somebody or any one of you or every one of you are trained in any basic life support, which that opportunity doesn't come to any one of us, should it be there? I think all of us should be the first to go and see if we can save a life. To that effect, we are doing a more one road safety program for the public as well as a basic life support for the public in those 3 days from June 27th to 29th. This is how we are looking at Apollo to be part of the society, to be part of the government, to be part of everything where we can do something to upgrade the quality of life at the local level, to upgrade the medical quality of life with our technological support. See, today I talked about proton therapy. It's outside of Europe and America. Probably will be one of the first in the world to come up in this part of the Southeast Asia. It's a very simple modality, 5-day treatment, sort of offers almost 100% cure. Nobody can be guaranteed 100%, but we can always be relying upon to say that yes, it offers a complete cure.